Welcome to Intellectual. In this tutorial, we are going to solve this question. If x is equal to cube root of 28 and y is cube root of 27, then we have to find out the value of x plus y minus 1 upon x square plus xy plus y square. Now, we have to use one identity which is a cube minus b cube, which says that a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Using this identity, we have to solve this question. Now let us see how we will use this identity. Here we have to find this x plus y minus 1 upon x square plus xy plus y square. Now we see that if we multiply the numerator and denominator with x minus y, so we can get the identity of a cube minus b cube over here. So let us multiply and divide numerator and denominator by x minus y. So our question will become x minus y upon x cube minus y cube. Right? Now we can write here x cube. Here x is equal to cube root of 28. So by cubing we get x cube as 28. Similarly, I can get y cube as 27, and x cube minus y cube will give me 28 minus 27, which is equal to 1. So the question reduces to x plus y minus x minus y upon x cube minus y cube will be x plus y minus x minus y upon 28 minus 27. So this is x plus y minus x minus y upon 1. On opening, x plus y minus x plus y will goes off. It will be 2y, and which is equal to y was cube root of 27, and the cube root of 27 can be written as 27 raised to 1 by 3. 27 is 3 cube into 1 by 3. Using a raised to m raised to n, we can get the value of y as 3, and so 2 into 3 will be equal to 6. In this way, we have solved this exponent question using algebraic identities and laws of exponent. Hope you like this tutorial.